is a so beautiful place, Monjan. I reach here, and then this is in highest mountain, and then garden also have there's a red garden, and then have like this white flower also have, and then other side also have purple and pink color also. This is called red garden mostly, and then I will show you everything. This is going on a trip to Chiang Mai. It's so cool, and then weather is so fresh and so good weather. It's so nice weather. I love it actually. Then what I want to do, the thing is I will change clothes in this area. This is so once you want to camp for with wedding or something, a lot of a ceremony for birthday also. Come this place is so good. This is white flower garden. So good and nice place. I like mountains so much, so that's why I really love to visit the mountain all over. The place is so beautiful and so amazing for me. So fresh air also, see. So fresh air in the mountain. Let's check it out. And then I will show you something also. What is that? Ooh, see the clouds. Yep. This is because I wear this dress is because I come for garden, right? So that's why I wear this dress. Darling, hold my hand. So beautiful and nice place to visit. I like mountain. I don't want to forget this place. I came before. So good and nice weather. It's for entrance for per person is 50 baht, and then they give free drink also. Yeah, like this. I like it so much. See the mountain. Today we're gonna go on Munchen 7 place our trip. I don't know. First is we go skyward. Now is rose garden, and then we go, and then next tree is where I don't know yet, but I think it will be beautiful place. See the cloud is moving. See, can you see? That is a cloud. It's moving so cool and so nice weather. I love it so much. Actually, for me, is going on a tree is better for me. I love it. I really love it, and I really enjoyed it.